Hello Choice family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be preparing UGBA sauce. So you can see I'm adding my oil to the pot. Allow the pot to heat up before adding your red palm oil. Cover the pot for it to cook for few 1 to 2 minutes before you go in with your chopped onions. So that onions is blended with pepper. So I'm going to fry the onions for 6 minutes. I'll fry the onions until it's cooked. So I'll mix that and cover to cook. So next I'll check on my onions. It's still cooking. I'll combine that together. It's almost ready. Next I'll cover it again and I'll check on it again. Keep on stirring. Combine together properly. Next I'll go in with my seasoning. I've just added curry, black pepper, oregano, cumin, salt, garlic, and I'll combine that together. And I'll cover to cook. I'm checking on my sauce. So this is the UGBA. It's washed. I'll add my UGBA, combine together. I'll combine that together. Keep combining. Next, you want to add your dry prawns. And I'll also add baby prawns. So we call them crayfish. So wash them and add them. So I'll combine that together and leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So as you can see, here is the outcome after 5 minutes. I'm stirring it again. I'll cover for another 2 minutes. Meanwhile, our plantain and yam is cooking. So here is the sauce. I'm adding my seasoning cube. I'll combine the seasoning cube together. And our sauce is ready to be served. So I served my UGBA sauce and yam with plantain. So it's looking really delicious and ready to be served. It tastes really good. And if it's your first time to my page, please kindly follow, subscribe and share the video. Let me know where you're watching from and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for coming to my page. I hope you like it here. In this page we cook and we also vlog family lifestyle. We also do shorts. So please follow us, share our video, let us know where you're watching from, and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.